Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show that how to select the specific audience for your phone number on Facebook. You have added your phone number onto your Facebook profile, and now you don't know that which people are able to see your phone number. You want to check that, or you want to set a specific audience for your phone number, then don't you worry, because you're in the right place. In this video I'm going to tell you the exact way how to do that. So before we start, my name is Stark, and you're watching the Starkness Guy YouTube channel, on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what you're waiting for, just don't miss that opportunity. Hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's dive into it. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app, and after that tap at the profile picture in the top right corner just like that, and tap that gear to open up your settings and privacy. It will just take a while and will redirect you to your settings and privacy section. Just wait a little bit. Here we go. For that, what you all have to do is tap at privacy checkout, and it will just take a little bit. And here we go. Just simply tap at how people can find you on Facebook on the third option. Tap on it like that, and tap continue on the bottom, and tap next. And here you can easily select the audience for your phone number and as well as your email address if you have added it to your profile on Facebook. Just simply what you all have to do is tap edit in front of your phone number. So that's where you get the option to choose the right audience for your phone number. You can set it to friends of friends or your friends, or you can set it to no one, only you will be able to see it. In case of the video, I'm just simply selecting no one. Tap on it like that, and how you can also select the audience or choose the right audience for your email address. Just simply tap edit like that, and the process is the same. So once you're done with all of this stuff, just simply tap next and tap review another topic. So you can see we have just simply like choose the right audience or our required audience for our Facebook profile number, our mobile number on Facebook profile. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question, just leave me in comment section below, and I'll be catching you next video. Thanks guys, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to check the latest video on Instagram. Thanks guys. Goodbye till the next video.